So Obeid, what was the initial intention behind the banking simulation being part of the curriculum for the MCom student?
The banking simulation that the Riskworx Academy has offered us, I think, fills a particular gap in our curriculum, and the particular gap that it fills is actually action-based learning. So I feel that the MCom degree offers our students a bunch of technical core skills, but we struggle in a classroom environment and in an academic environment to really provide our students context around the core technical skills that they learn. So the banking simulation is an awesome product that offers our students the chance in a very stylized way to experience what a real-world bank could and may actually look like. And I feel like this is an experience that's invaluable and really difficult to create in a classroom. So I think the software is amazing. The feedback from our students has been amazing. And I feel it leads to a far more finished product in terms of the students that we ultimately create.